Welcome back to our distributed virtual MDM demo. In this video, we will build the raw profile indexes for two data sources, one with credit card transaction data and one with credit bureau data. Open the EIQ Server RTI tool and create a new index. Make sure the data source connection string is selected and click Build. Look for the ODBC connection for the data source. If one does not exist, it can be created through the tool by selecting New. Select the appropriate driver and then configure as if using the ODBC administrator. Then authenticate the source for the EIQ tool. Specify a path for the index and a name for the index. Then click Next. This window allows users to change the global data type map. We can leave this as the default for now. Click Finish to load the schema. Once the schema loads, all the tables and columns in the data source will appear on the left-hand side. Because we are just making a raw index, we can immediately change into RTI mode. This will prompt saving the map. It's highly suggested that you save. When we click on a table or column on the left, the metadata will load. We can start adding tables and columns to the index by either double-clicking each individual column or right-clicking a table and selecting Add All. We can also add every table and column that we've fetched for that schema at the same time by right-clicking the schema node and selecting Add All, Opened. Once we've added all the tables and columns we need, we can proceed to build the raw index. Click the Build button in the toolbar and then select the Full Build option. Once the index build is completed, we can build our second index. We want to follow the same steps as before, creating the ODBC connection to the data source, adding the desired tables and columns to the map, switching the indexing mode, and then building the index. In the next video, we will configure EIQ adapters for the raw indexes. ASDAC will use these adapters to access the index data.